A brand new bill has just been introduced into Congress, and this bill might change the way you get your Social Security check. If we take a look at the headlines here, Casey introduces bill to expand Social Security benefits. Another one, a Casey bill would expand Social Security benefits. And the proposed SWIFT Act aims to improve Social Security for survivors. So I'm going to let you know exactly what this bill entails, how it affects your Social Security check, and give you some other important updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate the Social Security updates, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more regular Social Security updates. And this video is sponsored by my company, WiseSense. If you don't have the best credit and want to improve it, I have a link down in the description below. Click that and you can schedule a free call with me, free consultation. So if you have any type of credit issues, I can fix it for you. Or if not, maybe just for you, but maybe someone you know as well, share that link down in the description below. All right, let's get into it here. So let's start with this. As I mentioned, Bob Casey is a senator from Pennsylvania. He has come out with a new bill. This is called the SWIFT Act. So this actually just came out 2 days ago. So this is a brand new bill introduced into the Congress. We've had a lot of different Social Security bills introduced into Congress. So it's not the first one, not the last one. The big question is, what does it do for your Social Security check, which is probably why you're watching this. How is it going to affect you? So Casey bill would expand Social Security benefits. So basically, he had a few different things to say about this bill. It's called a SWIFT Act. Let's get into exactly what this entails. So proposed SWIFT Act aims to improve security for survivors. So let me go over this article right here. I'll let you know exactly what it does for you. So in a recent development on Capitol Hill, U.S. Senator Bob Casey, chairman of the U.S. Senate Special Committee on Aging, has introduced the Surviving Widower Income Fair Treatment Act, also known as the SWIFT Act. This proposed legislation seeks to address outdated and restrictive regulations governing Social Security benefits for widows, widowers, and surviving divorced spouses. Currently, many individuals in these categories encounter unnecessary barriers and complexities when attempting to access Social Security benefits. These challenges often disproportionately affect women and hinder them from maximizing the benefits they are entitled to receive. The SWIFT Act is designed to rectify these issues and potentially increase Social Security benefits for over 1 million Americans. So over 1 million Americans can benefit from this. Social Security is a crucial safety net for older adults and people with disabilities. However, outdated rules within the system have left many of those who rely on it facing financial insecurity. Chairman Casey emphasized the importance of modernizing Social Security to ensure that it fulfills its promise of providing financial security during retirement for all Americans. Official statistics reveal that poverty rates among widows and widowers receive Social Security benefits are nearly twice as high as those of retired workers and spouses. Widows and widowers caring for children and those with disabilities face some of the highest poverty rates among all Social Security recipients. Nevertheless, under current regulations, widows who develop disabilities after their spouse's death cannot claim survivor benefits until they reach the age of 50. Furthermore, the value of these benefits is significantly reduced if they claim them before reaching full retirement age. An obscure provision known as the widower's limit also limits the benefits of more than 1/3 of widows, preventing them from maximizing their benefits if their deceased spouse claimed retirement benefits before reaching full retirement age. So here are the 4 things that the SWIFT Act will do. So it'll eliminate these barriers and modernize Social Security by, number 1, allowing widows. So I'm just going to use the term widows, which will refer to widows and widowers moving forward. Allowing widowers and surviving divorced spouses with disabilities to receive 100% of the survivor benefit they are entitled to, regardless of their age. Number 2, providing widowers and surviving divorced spouses the ability to increase the value of their survivor benefits beyond the current arbitrary cap. Number 3, enabling widows and surviving divorced spouses caring for children to receive child in-care benefits until their children reach the age of 18 or 19 if they are still in school. And number 4, requiring the federal government to proactively provide information to widows and surviving divorced spouses about the benefits they are eligible for, claiming options, and important deadlines. So let me know your thoughts on that. The SWIFT Act. Good idea, bad idea? Does this affect you in any way? Are you a survivor? Will this help you out? Do you know anyone else who this could help out? Let me know your thoughts on this down in the comments below. Currently, it's got bipartisan support, which is good. So it's got bipartisan support. Now, will this bill pass? Big question. As say with a lot of other bills, there's a graveyard of Social Security bills. So we're not really sure what'll happen with this bill, but I'll keep you updated. And that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully cheer you up a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Oh, hi guys, I didn't see you there. Guys, can I tell you tip of the day because you know, I'm still in South Carolina. I know it looks like in a different place, but let's get over it. Can I tell you the thing that you should really actually do when someone's hurt or you're hurt? You should like really do something really good and help them out because they're hurt. You can't let a person hurt. Stay there. I know you guys would do such a great thing, even better than that. Like help them up or something. And you can too. So that's all the advice that I wanted to give to you today. And also this is my sister Kalea. Say hi. Hi. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. If you like these updates, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to see what the GOP plan is for Social Security, a lot of these proposals and bills are from the Democrat side. But if you're curious what the Republican option is, you're going to want to click this video right up here. It goes over the latest Republican bill for Social Security reform. So click that video and I'll see you in that video. Take care, be safe. Thank you for watching.